We are currently going to the
6-mile Cypress Slope. 6-mile Cypress Slope.
You heard that right. This is our first trail since our birthday vlog, and when we got seriously lost in the woods for like 2 hours.
Marked thing. I've been here before.
He's been here before, and
go off the trail. We're not going off the trail. We're staying on a wood boardwalk with railings, and
it's literally like a trail for old people, but
yeah.
It looks really pretty. And today is Saturday, and we're going outside. We're going to be with nature. And I got this super cutesy dotsy. Is that what that was? Wait, go again. Go again, go again. Come on. We were showing them something.
Oh, now you want to speed up because I want to go around.
This place is so cute.
You're in a parked vehicle. We're not doing this illegally. I have a medical condition. I need to
He's got that scoliosis.
smoke some herbage to relax my back so I can go on a nice long walk.
Yeah. It's super cute when we pulled in, and I'm excited. Oh, there was just a butterfly.
It's to be.
OOTD. Hat. Stinkies. What would you call that? Fish shop in Destin, Florida. Then my cutesy new little Reebok dress.
You're gonna have to blur my license plate.
Feast your eyes. Just kidding, there's shorts underneath. And I got this from Walmart in Tampa the other day when I had to drive up there for work. And it's serving, yes. Is she serving?
She's serving.
Thank you. And then the Converse. And then my brand new friendship bracelet I made last night with Ella. Shout out. Get back up here. Shout out Ella. And let's see, babes.
Oh. Crocs, and I got these at the thrift store, and this is
Be weird.
official big boy BMX rider. And he's a stuntman now. He doesn't even
And
ride BMX.
hat.
Oh yeah.
This was featured in the other vlog.
So they already know.
Featured in the other vlog.
All right, let's go hit this freaking 40.
Let's do it. We're going to the Boardwalk Trail, which is also called the 6-mile Cypress Slope. But it's not 6 miles, I guess. It's only.
I forgot my vape.
It's only 2. Look how cute! They said that there's no dogs allowed. We would have brought a Rasta girl. Oh, this is not a dog's paw. Right? Oh my gosh, also there is a huge bird's head. Oh, who is you? Look at this huge bird head.
That's a big bird head.
I wonder why it's called the 6 mile then.
I think because we're on 6-mile Cypress Road.
No speed walking. We're entering the quiet zone.
Speed walking or jogging.
Or jogging or playing music. We're right now in a dry zone, so it's giving very dry. Is that a bird? Oh no, is that a branch?
It's just some wood sticking up.
It does kind of look like a bird though, huh? Just hold on, we're going home. Is it good? Entering a quiet zone. Quiet zone. Onto your ear. Shh. Really cool to come to in like the end of September when it's rained a lot. Oh my goodness. Gator. Wow. And they have these little boards for the gators.
Oh, see the Pleco? And the tilapia, the sheep's head. Oh, all the Pleco. Oh no, those are cichlids.
Wow. So pretty. Baby fish. Just a squirrel looking for his nut.
Oh, looking for those buried nuts.
Oh my gosh, we just found a mega gator.
This is the best.
Oh my goodness.
Go over there and get it.
Big boy. It's getting real hot. I be sweating. Huge.
Yeah, you can see a lot better from up there. Yeah, that's a big. He's at least 10 feet. And he's fat. He gets a lot of food out here.
I hope there's more fish left for him.
Oh yeah, there's plenty.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, that's
Super
cool.
exciting.
Yeah, that's
I'm here
cool.
almost every day.
Oh really?
So, yeah, sometimes he even crawls up on that plateau that the Boy Scouts made for him. But rarely do you see him crossing over like this.
Oh my gosh,
And
that's
they're
amazing.
so tall.
Yeah.
You don't expect him to be tall. Well, have a good day.
You too, thanks.
So we're sighting.
That's pretty cool.
We're sighting check.
So I wonder if he uses this trail here. Because that's what he's laying on.
Oh, for sure.
Does that mean he came from a different pond, like, and scooted his way all the way across?
Yeah, look.
Got up there.
It looked like scoop marks.
But it's hard to. Yeah. Shall we?
We shall. Wow, that's crazy, baby.
Good eye.
Good eye, mate. Thank you. You see what that sign says?
Learn that if you sit down in the woods and wait, something happens.
The Incredibles.
Trees won't go.
Three sacred souls. Shout out. There's a snake. So you know my lizard man had to go check it out. Let's see what it is. Where?
Right here.
Oh.
See his body?
The reptile man had to come check it out.
It's like Velcro. It sticks right to it wherever you place it.
We survived.
can get lost in
and
the woods.
die. I will survive. We had to run it back to a real easy trail, although I am sweating to every which way.
That was a good 1.5 trail.
Yeah, about 1.5 trail. It was so pretty. We loved it. Just very hot, but we'll definitely be coming back because that was fun. That was a lot of fun. And now I think we're gonna be looking for either a thrift store or something like that, but we did it. Put those on.
Should we go right now?
Yeah. They are stickers that I got him in New York City. I think I showed the vlog when I got them. Say what? Nice.
Should we put them right here? Yeah, it kind of fits better right there.
Kind of looks like a city in the background. Cool. Nice. Hello. We went to Plato's Closet and I got a couple things. Got this cutesy dootsy little babe top.
Okay.
Okay, babe. And then I got the cutest overalls I've ever put on my body in my life. They literally scoop my butt cheeks like so good. It's this little thing, and then the buckles are so cute too. Like, are you kidding? Ah, I just love it. Can't really see it that well, but. And then I got Carhartt pants that I said were for work, but then once I tried them on, a little bit too good for work. Where is it? And then I tried it on with a little babe tank top. A moment. A moment. Cute. And then I got this little thing that is gonna give me inspiration to get the fattest ass and the slimmest waist, because I've always loved these little bodysuit things, and it's so soft. And
Got these Snoop Dogg Skechers. Are you serious?
they're actually so cool. Look at the inside. Snoop Dogg, dog. And I like the colors a lot.
Pretty sick.
They look brand new.
Yeah, I don't think they've ever been worn.
Crazy.
Other than me running around the store. These are pretty nice. Kappa.
Genuine, authentic. Authentic. Yeah, those
I
are
like
cute.
the color.
Yeah, me too.
On the bird. And then change it up. I don't have any jorts.
You got some jorts.
I'm a jort guy now.
I'm excited. I hope they're baggy.
Yep, they're giving a little baggage. What size waist are we talking? 36? I think I'm a 36. I don't know. I don't try clothes on. I don't try clothes on.
Which is dumb, stupid,
Yeah,
because.
the majority of the shit that I get doesn't fit me, and then I just don't wear it.
And then now we're going to get some acai / boba, because I think I want some boba with some acai. You can't do that. That's illegal.
But boba and acai together.
No, you can't vape in the video.
Oh.
An acai bowl. Because what I really wanted was some burger fi. What was I saying earlier? Burger fi. I wanted some burger fi. But acai sounds refreshing.
Damn,
and
Camry sounded like that?
delicious. It was
It
freaking
was.
packed in there.
Yeah, it's always too young like Camry.
Okay, we're back. We got it.
Boba.
Boba. First sip.
Oh my god. Oh
I Mine's very plain, but
Mine's
it's
just
good.
strawberry milk. My boba balls just explode. They're not like tapioca,
Really?
full of juice.
Switch. Oh, you got the popping ones. Whoa.
Brown sugar?
I'm not getting a boba.
That is the boba. The
I'm-
exploding bits.
I'm not getting that.
I think you are, but they just explode on impact.
Mm. Oh, I got one.
Whoa.
Did you get that?
Whoa.
I like your milk, but with my balls. Yeah, you heard me. I like your milk better than mine.
It's just strawberry milk.
He always orders the best things, and then I end up liking his better than mine.
Got a poke bowl. Never had one before.
I got an acai bowl because I love acai.
Got rice, avocado, cucumber, green onion, cilantro, salmon, white rice,
Yummy.
crispy onions.
I got granola, Nutella, which thank you very much. Strawberry, mango, and shredded almonds. Mmm.
Okay.
You
Okay.
should definitely drizzle the sauce on there. First bite.
I'm gonna do the old Chipotle shake.
Oh, this is so refreshing after a hot day.
Salmon's really good. Not fishy at all. Try a piece. Maybe give your mouth a little rinse, a little water rinse. Sometimes you kind of like.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah, that is really good. We like to make a bowl like that ourselves.
Mm-hmm. You can do that.
Oh my gosh, I meant to tell you. There's a Korean corn dog place right by the house.
Korean corn dog.
Like where they put like the potatoes and cheese
What?
and Cheetos and
Weird.
by the King of Vape.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Since when?
I don't know, when we went in there yesterday, they had it and they were like, it's really good, it's right down the road.
Shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've seen with the videos. It looks good.
We should do it.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, freaks.
Oops.